Casa cast iron camping Dutch oven, a large camping pot that opens up a wide range of culinary opportunities when all you have is a campfire. This 6-quart cast iron pot is universal and can be used for braising, baking, searing, and simmering. It features extra tall legs to keep it above the fire and a lid that will hold coal to give you extra control of your cooking temperatures. The lid also doubles as a separate skillet, perfect for sautéing, searing, or baking a personal pan pizza. The cast iron design was made specifically for campfires, so you don't have to worry about it chipping or cracking. It's sturdy and will last you a lifetime. It is naturally non-stick and comes pre-seasoned, so cooking requires very little oil and maintenance is very simple. The package also includes an enameled lid lifter to keep you safe from the heat, as well as a heavy-duty polyester tote bag with a reinforced bottom to support the heavy camping Dutch oven. Getting out and preparing the perfect outdoor meal is easier than ever. The Uno Casa Camping Dutch Oven. Enjoy timeless dishes from the great outdoors.
Is just slightly bigger, very heavy, so be careful when lifting them. They come with some tips. They have a nice handle on them to hold that up so it doesn't get too hot. Flipping them over, you can see the underside is perfectly flat. There's no raises or indentations or anything like that. So a really nice surface area to heat these up and keep them at a consistent temperature all the way across the bottom. It's also good to know that they both come with a 1-year limited warranty in case you have any issues or they rust or anything like that.
The rustic look of cast iron, matched with its long-lasting construction, has a rich history in outdoor cooking. Cast iron is designed to distribute heat evenly, making for faster cooking without having to manage the heat source or rotate the pan. Our cast iron frying pans are just as much at home on a campfire as they are in your kitchen. Use our frying pans to cook everything from eggs and bacon to steak and veggies without sticking. Perhaps one of the most versatile and frequently used pieces at the campsite is the cast iron Dutch oven. Whether you need the stability of a Dutch oven with legs to bake biscuits or a cobbler down in the coals, or prefer a flat bottom design for cooking on a grill rack, we've got you covered with a variety of different sizes. Looking to fry crisp veggies, sear a steak, or cook some Asian cuisine? Look no further than our cast iron wok. The even heating of cast iron is also perfect for pizzas, giving you a crispy crust and locking in all the delicious flavors. Our pizza pan can also be used as a large skillet for cooking hamburgers, pancakes, steaks, and more. All of our pieces now come pre-seasoned and ready to use. Cast iron is a staple for the outdoors, but is frequently used for indoor cooking as well. Whatever you plan on cooking next, Stansport has you covered.
Pre-seasoned cast iron Dutch ovens evenly distribute heat even when used over an open fire. They have a flanged lid for placing coals on top and can be used for cooking anything from roasts to cakes, biscuits, and breads. The metal bail handle on the kettle keeps food warmer than ordinary pots and pans. Heavy cast iron lid keeps food moist while cooking. There's a convenient loop handle on the lid. 3 legs make this Dutch oven ideal for open fire. They're easy to use and easy to clean. The 3-legged Dutch ovens are an essential part of any outdoor kitchen. These high-quality pre-seasoned cast iron Dutch ovens are versatile cookware and are ideal for open fire or charcoal cooking. These are a must-have cooking product for me, especially when camping or cooking outside.
And Potjie is perfect for a variety of recipes. High quality, durable cast iron makes this Potjie ideal for campfire cooking. The 3 legs in round belly shape allows for even heat distribution around the pot, and this 8-quart design cooks very small to very large meals. This works with all cooktops: stovetop, induction, electric, oven, gas, and campfire. Bruntmor cast iron Potjie.